Hi guys, this is Jay. Welcome to Viral Mug channel. Today I'm explaining about how to draw the straight line on white paper. I know it is very hard, but I'm explaining you some easy way. Okay? Come on guys. First of all, take a one pen and one white paper. Okay? Just see this. Yeah, like this. After, fold the white paper like this. Okay, and take a pen. Yeah, and draw the line. Draw the straight line on the white paper. See this? Just wait, I'm zooming. Yeah. See how this is a very easy method. Draw the straight line on white paper. Please subscribe the Viral Mug channel. Thank you.